My name is Girelle. What brought me to VYVE was really just finding a solution to what was going on with my body. I suffer from Crohn's and Celiac. So my biggest thing was finding a doctor who would give me some relief without putting me on medication. What Dr.Haas did was he sat down with me and he went through every protocol and every scenario. And my scenario was I had major GI problems going on. I knew I needed deeper answers. I needed more than just a Band-Aid. I knew Dr. Haas would take care of me in a way that he would give me the answers to my problem. And so we started with just simple IVs throughout the week of either iron or a couple different solutions that he came up with that would kind of just boost the energy that I needed. I literally feel like I'm back to life. Like Dr. Haas literally, he's brought me back to life. Care that you receive here is just, it's out of this world. It's top notch. I tell everyone about VYVE because truly VYVE has saved my life.